welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Well, hello. My name is Dora, and today I'm going to show you how to make dry body wash. And you can also use it as bubble bath. A cute nickname for it is Scrub and Bubbles, just like the cleaner. Anyway, this stuff is amazing, and it's so easy to make. You're gonna love it. I'm going to show you how to make an avocado-themed scrub and bubbles, but you can make any kind that you want, like pumpkin, rose, or lavender. If you're interested in this project, please read the description where you'll find lots of helpful information. The baking soda and citric acid are crucial as they create a coarse texture, which makes it easier to pour. SLSa creates rich foam, thick lather, and bubbles. I'm adding a bit of color powder. For that tutorial, click the icon. Adding alcohol allows the mixture to dry faster, and it also aids in a drier, rougher texture, which makes it pour more easily. Lay it flat and dry it about an hour. Now activate the mix and make it puff up. This is going to create a hard and rough texture once it's dry, which will give the scrub and bubbles a great pouring consistency. Lay it flat and spread it out for faster drying. Breaking up chunks throughout the drying process will immensely speed up drying time. Allow the mixture to dry completely. To get it smooth, blend it for a bit. Not too much though. You want some of the hard, rough texture to remain. The mixture should pour easily, like this. I'm going to show you how I made these sparkling and colorful layers. Take a little bit of the mix and divide it. Then add unique color and micas to each. These 8-ounce containers probably make more sense than the small jars I used, but I couldn't help it. Each time I pour some powder in, I pack the jar at an angle. Okay, so like I was saying earlier, I love these square glass jars. I think they're so cute, stylish, and sophisticated. They are great for body wash because you only use a little bit, so the jar would last a while, but they're probably not so great for a bubble bath. Anyways, they will be linked in the description. Okay, so I really just had to show you these. This is some of the scrub and bubbles that I made. Pictures do them no justice. Oh, and I found out how to make these adorable labels. Click the icon for a short tutorial. And I hate that I have to film them out of focus, but this is the only way that you could see the subtle, shimmering, glittering effect of the micas. I feel like the green stripes came out just a little bit better. And here's just a slightly shimmering, subtle rose. Scrub and Bubbles makes a great bubble bath. The bubbles didn't last as long because it doesn't have as much SLSa as a normal bubble bath recipe, but it's all good because I made it for the intended purpose of dry body wash. And as a dry body wash, it rocks. It only takes a little sprinkle to wash your entire body. I'm not saying that you only have to use a little bit. Lord knows I use a lot more. I'm just saying that's all it takes. This is about how much I use. It makes a ton of suds, lots of lather and foam, and it's just oh so yummy. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.